Hey, what's up guys? John with RussellMarineProducts.com, and today we're coming at you with another RMP brand product. This is going to be the Mercury Pro XS Transom Saver. Let's check it out. All right, so we've got our transom saver here, and as you can see, we've got steering clips that we're gonna set to the side, and we'll use those later, but those are gonna be used to keep our engine from moving around on us while we are trailering. But what we're gonna go ahead and do is point out a couple of the features here. We've got the rubber bushing, and this is gonna go up against the swivel bracket. There's some indentations in that bracket that are actually meant to rest against the trim rams, and then so that's actually going to fit up nicely in there. And then we've also got these pins here. We're going to be able to lock this in place. Up on the underside here, we're going to actually be able to choose the height of the engine based on where these line up in the clamp bracket. So we'll go ahead and show you that. We'll show you how to install the steering clips, but also want to let you know what the compatibility is going to be. This is going to be on the Pro XS engines. This is going to be the 4 strokes. So we're actually going to be able to use these on the 175 and up. This is not going to work on the 150s. So the 175s and up, and I do know that these do work on the 75 horsepower engines as well. But what we're going to do, we're going to turn this thing upside down here. We're going to squeeze these pins in. So we're going to line this up here. I'll go with the second holes, and then we'll go ahead, lift this up, line it up with that swivel bracket there. And as you can see, they fit nicely right where those rams normally rest, and your engine's nice and snug. All right, so from here, we'll go ahead and install the steering clips, and we're just going to snap those onto the steering ram on both sides. Now to remove the transom saver, we'll just go ahead and we'll trim the engine up. This will kind of break free, and then we'll just do this in reverse, squeeze these pins together, and we're ready to fish. All right, so if you guys are looking for a good option for your Mercury Pro XS 4-stroke engines, 175 and up, make sure you check out the RMP Mercury 4-stroke transom saver. Go check them out, RussellMarineProducts.com. Got any questions, shoot us an email at sales@RussellMarineProducts.com, or give us a call at 316-313-4113. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.
Are you tired of your old marine electronics? At RMP, we make trade-in easy. 3 steps. Step 1, shoot us an email, get a quote. Step 2, send us your old unit and get credit. Step 3, get your brand new unit and get installed on your boat today.